So, I'm gonna make toolbox, right?
Right.
Okay. How long do you want your base?
12, 14 inches.
Okay, so start at one side. Nope. Nope. Now we measure wood or we do this. Okay, so put it on here. Okay. You go to 14, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna put your mark on the wood. Good. So the other side. And the other side. Put a mark right at 14. Got it? Okay, now take your ruler. See how that creates a straight line? Let's see. 14. 14. Huh? So, right there. Whoop. Make a straight line. Let's draw it. Good. Okay. So now what are you going to do? Take that. Okay.
Be careful.
Take it that way.
Should we look? Can this thing like look up? No, we're going to do make sure to check if this the saw's like matching.
Wait. Okay.
Not.
So we're going to cut.
It's not matching the saw. Here's the touch.
Which way do you want it to go? We're going to cut right on that line, right?
Right. So keep it shut. Move it. Right.
Alright. Hold. Pull it. Pull the trigger. Pull this away. Good. Spectacular.
And we got our board.
What is this?
This is our floor here.
That's your base. Right. Okay. So we're going to put that right there. Now what are you going to make?
We're gonna make 7 inches. We're gonna make another 7. We're gonna make another 14 inch. Okay.
Or are you going to do 2 7s?
Make 2 7.
Is that what you want? The side, you want them to be 7 inches tall?
Yes, 7 inches tall.
Yeah. So from the end.
As level as it goes.
Right there. Put 7. Just put a little tick mark right at 7. Okay. Go to the other side. Put a tick mark at 7. Right at 7. Now what are you going to do? Yeah. Go. Put it across the whole thing. Make sure it's lined up. Make sure it's not. Make sure they're both lined up. Right? Depends wherever it is. Make sure it's right on there where you're going to draw across. You're going to draw across both dots. Well, fix it. Make sure you're drawing across both dots, exactly. Adjust it. Take it up, take it down, whichever.
That's good.
Okay? Good. Good. Okay?
Okay.
So, go cut 7 inches.
Alright. I know. Oh, sorry.
Yes, I
Alright.
can.
Can you help me here?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, good. You line it up. Which way?
A little more. Go back one.
Go back which way?
Go back here, really small. Go to, sorry.
No, go ahead. You adjust it.
Move to the right slowly. That's good.
Okay?
Alright, so adjust that and it's
Push down and go. we gonna do to make sure they're exactly the same size?
Cut another one.
Yeah, how do we make it? Right, make it, that's a template now, right? So make sure it's perfectly flush, and then draw your line. Good,
Okay.
okay? That's one side, right? That's gonna go there, right? Oh, sure.
Can you type?
Yeah, I think so.
Move to the right side. So it feels like the base touching it. Oh, that's good.
Oh, did I move? I
No,
moved
that's
it,
good.
sorry.
That's good. Ready?
Yep. That stops. Good.
Now we're gonna find a way to make angles.
Okay. Now we're gonna do that, right? Good.
It's on top of the other, right?
What's that?
We're on top of this.
Well, we're gonna do one, right? So how do you wanna make this angle? You can make it any way you want, but let's make it the same length. So this is a little over 5 inches, so if you wanna make it like square, right, if we go, how about maybe like 1.5 inches and 1.5 inches. So we're coming down 1.5 inches and over 1.5 inches. What do you think? Does that sound like a good idea? Okay, so you do it. So right at the edge. No, do this one first. Make sure it's right at the edge. 1.5 inches. Put a tip, put a mark. Good. Now we're going to come down, right? Here, step out of the light. And now we're going to come down 1.5 inches, right? And we're going to put down 1.5 inches. Now we're going to put our mark right there. Okay? Then what are we going to do? We're going to draw a line. Yeah. Draw a line connecting them. Can you see both dots? Make sure they're right on the thing. Right? Okay, now you do the other side the same exact way. So the other side. You're going this side. Silly. Now, with your half, so we're going to come 1/2 and 1, right? Or you could go right to there. It's 1/2 and 1, right? And go. Put your dot right there. Good. Now, do the same thing that way, right? Come down 1/2 and 1 inch, right? Good. We always do this. We always go this way. Okay. And then what are you going to do? Next your line. Right, you do it. You do it. Feather. Huh? Okay. So now,
Yeah, cut it.
do you want to mark the other one? See? Look how you did. You see what you drew to? You don't do to the outside. Scratch that. That's not good. Okay. Where are we going to? We're going to the dots, the very outside, right? Does that make sense? We're going to there. Okay. So you went to the outside, right? You went to the outside. Okay. So you measure 1.5 inches in and draw a line.
Sorry.
You're good. 1 inch and draw a line. There you go. There you go. Good job. both sides. You may have
Something like this, right?
to come back and do the cut, huh?
Should be something like this.
Yeah, now do the other side. Exactly. Ah.
Yeah, can I have the ruler?
What's that?
Can you have it with the ruler?
You're good. Good. Right there. Good. Remember, draw the line from the very outside to the outside, right? There you go. Where I put this, I should have put the table on that side, huh? Okay.
Now we gotta cut these.
Okay. Now what do you do?
Cut them.
Cut them. How are we going to cut them? Yeah, how do you hold that?
Wait a minute. Oh!
Yeah, we don't want to do it that way, do we? Got a splinter?
No, just poke me.
Oh, good. Okay, hold on. Do you know how to make it angle? Hold on. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Sorry. Okay, so how do we adjust? Right. Squeeze it. Now turn. Pull it. No.
That's pretty small.
You have to just squeeze the. You have to squeeze this, just not push down, right? Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Okay.
Okay.
How far are we going?
45.
Okay, so we got to keep going, right? Go ahead. Turn. Push. Squeeze. Push down and go. We're gonna do. I know. The table should be mounted. Oh, there it was locked. Okay. So we're gonna go to where that line says 45, right? Okay. Now put your one board in there.
That's good.
Make sure that we're tight, right?
Tight.
Does that look good right there?
Yep, that looks good.
Okay, hold it in there. Okay, step back. There you go. Hold. Now, watch your finger. Okay, go. Spectacular. Pull it back. Pull it back. Good. Now, what other one could we cut?
Oh,
Cut the other side while we're here, right?
okay, well, which one is the right one? Oh, this is good.
Is that good? Okay, make sure it's in there. Move your fingers out of the way of the blade.
Careful.
Okay. Go. Good. Super. Blade's done. Pull it away. Okay. Now, how do we cut that one?
We just do it the other way.
Yeah, can we cut it that way?
Oh, you do it.
Well, look at that. Huh. You just got to flip it around, right?
Around.
There you go.
That's right.
Is that right? Pull it back, hold it tight, and go. Good. Pull the blade out.
Oh, okay. Pull the blade out.
So good. Now, how about this one? Can you do this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, all you gotta do is turn it so it fits, right?
That's good.
Is that good? Holding it tight. Oh, ah, yeah, you moved it.
Okay.
Put it again. Oh, we moved.
Call from Dan Wheeler.
Well,
That's good. Okay, that's good.
got it. Hold it tight. Keep your fingers away. And go. Spectacular. Hi, Mr. Wheeler. Can I call you back now? How are you feeling? You doing okay? Oh, God. Oh, no, you never feel great. You never feel great. You never feel great. You don't feel great.
Okay.
Okay, you can't feel great. We're making a birdhouse, so I'm gonna, let me call you back when I get Nyky in fitness, okay? Okay, bud, talk to you later. Bye.
What's this one?
We got 8 minutes before we gotta fly. Okay, so now what are we gonna do? What do we have?
We need a hole.
Okay, so how are you gonna mount them? On the top, like that?
Something like that.
Okay. So how long do we need our sides to be? How long do we need our sides to be? Now, I want you to think about it.
Let me check. Let me measure the thickness.
No. Okay, think about it. Look, if you're on the outside, then you need it from there to there. But if you're going to mount it on top, don't we just need the same length as this piece? Wouldn't we just need this same length? Because it's going to attach right there. How long is this piece? Right. So you already have a template? That, right. So measure. Ah, what are you going to do? It's going to be the same length as that. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You got to make the same thing as that. What are you going to do? What's the easy way to do it? That's a template. In other words, that's an example. So what are you going to do? Take that, and what? We want one of these to be the exact same as that. We need two of them. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I thought you meant like, how do you, I thought you meant
No.
like, cutting.
No, right? No, we're going to, so what are you going to do? Match it up, right? And what? Draw a line. Good. Now what are we going to do? Cut it. Bingo. And we need to go ahead, see if you can pull it back. Go. No, you gotta push down, squeeze. Oh, jeez.
How old is this?
No, it's not. It's just that it really needs to be mounted on a Jeez.
I'll hold it for you.
Okay. Come on, baby. There it goes. Now it released. There it goes.
It's like something coming out the back.
Okay, we need to put it right at 0, right? See where it says 0? Okay. Hold on. Push that back. Okay. Check it.
You move slow to the
Go
right.
ahead. You do it. You do it. You do it.
Oh, that's good.
Is it good? Okay, away you go. Down. Down. Spectacular. So, those two should match, right?
Match.
Exact. So you need another side? So what are you going to do? Right. Exactly. Look, is that right on the edge? Make sure they're exact. Make sure it's square. Right on the edge. Good. Bingo.
It's like half now.
Right.
This thing's like 40.
Almost.
This thing's like 24. Wait, no, 48 inches long.
I don't know. No, probably a little more that way. A little more that my way, right?
That's good.
Okay, push it in hard. Push down. Go. Super. You got every piece you need. Right? Okay. What do you have? A base. A side. A side. Spectacular. So you're gonna mount the side on this side, right? You're gonna put this on the inside. Is that what you wanted? Right? Is that what you're gonna do?
Yep.
Okay. Are you sure? Might be better if this was on the inside so that the tops kind of match, but that's okay. Because then it'd be too long. But if you want it on the outside, and then it'd be like that, you can build it that way. Is that the way you like it?
Yes.
You like it that way? Okay. It's your box.
Okay.
Okay.
We need to make a hole.
Yep, we need to drill holes in here and in there. We will do that.
You have a 5/8.
You have a 5/8 dowel rod, right?
We need to cut this as well.
And we need to cut this.
Until it's like 8/16.
Yeah. We're gonna drill a hole in here, drill a hole there, right? Okay?
Same angle.
And then we're gonna put that right in there.
And then you put that in there as well.
Okay.
Match it, see what we need.
Right, exactly.
That's what I did. So when I just stack these above,
You can, and then drill, but we don't wanna drill the hole all the way through. We wanna drill a hole kind of in here, kind of in there, so that it sets in so it doesn't have to go all the way through. Okay? And we have to go to fitness class, so we'll be back in an hour. Okay? Okay, Bubba.
Thank you.
Okay. We're back again from fitness. Yay, say hi, Nick.
Thanks.
Okay. So, we're going to measure for our holes that we're going to drill. Got a drill. What else do you have? What else do you have?
Oh, down.
Yeah. And how wide? 5/8. We have a 5/8 drill bit. So what are we going to do first? Yeah, just work on one. How wide is the board?
5 2/8.
5 2/8.
Yes.
So how far do we need to go for half of that?
2 halves, 2 and
2 Yep.
2 and 5/8.
Good. Okay. So then so do 2 and 5/8 down at the bottom too. Measure it. Measure it. Here, do we need to turn the table around?
2.
2 and 5/8. Good. Here, let's turn the table.
Oh, sorry.
So we have light. How about that?
So we just
2 and 5/8.
we
Right.
just gotta check if it's
And then draw your line. Exactly. Line it up. Draw your line all the way from the top, all the way down. Okay, that's our center point, right? Okay. So how far do we want to come down?
somewhere around.
Yeah, like in the middle of this, probably, right?
So what do you say?
So remember, this was 1.5 inches down, right? Wait. You want it right on the center of that? Probably not. Why don't we put the center, if this came down from here to here, remember we measured down and it was 1.5 inches? Well, why don't you do it in the center? So what's the middle of 1.5? So a half is like 1.5 or 15.
Yeah.
So what's half of 15? What do you think?
5 is 2.5. 5.
Okay, let's do this. Where's 1.5? Right there. So where would half of 1 is what? Is a half. So then we got, what's the half of a half?
1.5.
Right. So where are you going to go? There's the half, right? And then what? Half of a half. Right there, exactly. Like that one. There you go. Put your line. Yep, mark your line right. Put that right there. Good. Okay, so then take that away. See your spot?
Yes.
Okay, so draw your line right across there. Now just take your pencil and just draw it right across. That's where you're gonna put your tip, right there. Okay, can you do that one now?
Okay.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? Measure what?
Okay.
There you go. Sorry.
Yeah, find 2 and 5/8.
2 and 5/8 at the top, right? 2 and 5/8, good. And then do 1 down at the bottom. So we have a good, so we can draw a nice center. Okay, now draw your line. Whoops, make sure you're on make sure you see on both sides. There you go. There you go. Hold it over down. Good. Now how far is he coming down? How much was a half and a quarter? How much is 50 and 25? Yeah, right, so 3/4, right? Okay. Draw your line. Now what are you gonna do?
It's good to like make like a little hole, beginner hole, on where you're gonna point it.
See
So
what that has?
yeah.
Already has a big inner hole.
So
Okay?
can I try it?
Yep, but make sure you're straight up. See how you're at an angle? We don't want to be at an angle. So see how you're reaching over?
How do you want me to do
Yep, I like that. Good.
it? Can I like make a little dot?
Yeah, go. Just start. Go.
It's
gonna-
locked. It's not all the way.
It is. It's gonna go. Okay, straight up and down. Go sideways. Straight up and down. Keep going. Push down, drill. Push. Okay, stop. Check the back side, see if there's a hole yet. You don't want to drill through the hole, right? No? Okay. So you have to push. You're just spinning around in the wood. It's not gonna chew.
Break the tape.
You're not. Okay, but you gotta push down on the bit. Okay? Go. Okay. No, put it in the hole first. Okay, there you go. Go. Straight down. There you go. Okay, wait. Pull it out. See if you're through the hole. See if, no, not yet. Okay, go deeper. There you go. Push. Push. Keep going. Keep going. Push. Very good. See if that's good. See, still not through. Okay. Go. And give it good gas. Go. Pull it out. Don't. You got to pull it out while it's still spinning. Yeah, good. No hole yet? Good. Good.
Is this good?
Yeah. There you go. So what do you think?
That's fine. There we go.
So the dowel will sit in there? Okay, try to put the dowel in, put your dowel rod in there. All right?
Fits
It fits,
really well.
okay? Once we get it glued and everything set,
Mm-hmm.
right, it'll lift right up. Okay, so let's see how far we can go. I don't think we can go a whole lot further without breaking through the bottom. We don't want to go all the way through. I mean, you could get a little hole there and we could fill it in with
Glue.
wood glue if you wanted.
Okay.
Okay? You want to go a little deeper?
Let's go a little bit.
A little deeper?
Maybe a little risky.
Whoops.
Well, if it's a little risky.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit. Okay, hold on to it hard. Get it straight up and down. Huh. Yep, see, just a little dot started to come through. Good. Good, so that's one piece. Do your next one.
Okay.
Gotta make sure it's straight. Make sure you're right there. There you go. Nice and easy. Get the hole started. Go. Remember, we gotta get about that deep, right? Push. 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 There you go. Pull it out while it's spinning. Pull it out while it's spinning. See if there's a hole yet. No. Good job. Good job. Push. Yeah. Okay, make sure you push. What do you think? A little more, or are you good?
A little more.
Okay.
Whoa, so let's gotta check the length now, right?
Yeah, so now we need to cut this the right length, right? Okay. So what length is that going to be? Let me just do a little bit more. What length is that going to be? What do you think?
Should we measure?
Whoop. Right there. There we go.
Hope it doesn't break through.
No, we'll just put a little glue in. Okay? So,
Oh,
so what length are we going to make? Yes, exactly. So you're going to do that to there, right? Okay? So how can we measure that? How can we measure that? How about just measuring in between, right?
In between.
And then
This thing's a little.
we went in about an eighth on each side. So what do you got to there? 13?
13.
Okay, so that's the outside of the outside. And in, we went about
No,
what?
wait, no, the inside, no, it was inside to the inside.
Yeah, it's 13.
Yeah.
But now we need to add a little bit to go in there and add a little bit to go in there, right? So we'll probably add an eighth, a little more than an eighth, a little more than an eighth. So an eighth plus an eighth is what?
So say 13 3/8.
Yeah, so maybe 13 and 3/8 sounds pretty good.
Is right?
And if we mess it up, see, we have a long enough stick, right? So where's 13 and 3/8? Whoop. 13 and 3/8 right there. Put it. Yeah, right there. Good. So now what are you going to do?
Cut it out with the saw.
Yep. You're going to cut up with the saw. Yeah. That's good. As long as you can see it. Plug the saw in. Hold on.
Well, why does it need this?
What's that? As a guard, so it doesn't fly up in your eye. Right? Here. Turn this so you can see the light.
Oh,
How's that?
that's good.
Where's the line?
It's about right here.
Okay, hold on. Let me plug it in. Alright, ready? Go.
Let me just double check. Oh, that's good.
Okay. There you go. Spectacular. All the way.
You have a spare one.
We have a spare, just in case. So we put it in that side, right? We put it in that side.
I need to stay.
Here, do this.
Look, I think it actually it fits.
It does fit.
It actually works. It actually works.
How's that?
That's great.
Does that work good?
Ha!
Okay. And then once it holds, you'll be able to lift it up. How's that? Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna glue those in, right? We're gonna glue it in. Oh, you just pull this up, squeeze it in the hole. Yep. Squeeze it in.
Is this the right choice?
In the hole. We're gonna put the dowel in one of them.
Wait, would it be smart if we glue one and then we put it right there? And then we glue it here?
Yeah, or you could glue the dowel first and let it set, and then glue that, whichever. Yeah, whichever. You want to put glue in there first? That's just as good as anything, Bubba.
Hey Dad, do we have like a hammer or anything?
For what?
Oh, just in case it's like, in case we can like easily knock it back in place.
Oh, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Okay, too much. Here. When you do this, you should kind of just squeeze it out and go with that. Okay? That makes sense? Okay, so go ahead and put it down, put it on there. You're good.
Well, if it's a little easy.
Well, like you just take your finger, and you swipe it, right? Okay. So, now you're gonna put your glue on the thing, right? In the hole. That's why I was suggesting you put it in the hole first. But that's okay. Go ahead, put it in the hole now. Yeah, put it in. Go. It's not gonna dry that quick. Go. Oh, pull the top up. Put it in. Good. Yep. That's fine. Put it in the other hole. Okay. Good. Good. Now, put that there. Put it in the hole. Good. Okay. Now, grab the other one. Okay. Put glue on the bottom. Just squeeze it and pull. That's good. See? That's it. Keep on all the way to the end. Not more, just to the end. Okay, that's way too much, Nick.
Sorry, confused.
What's confusing? That's all I said was go to the end. That's all I said, Bubba. Okay? You got way too much glue. Way too much. Okay, put it in the hole. Put it in.
It's in there. Wait. should I just wipe this off? Is it glue wood glue slippery?
Huh?
Can wood glue be slippery?
Yeah, but make sure you're lined up. Make sure you're lined up. No, that'll be right on the edge.
No.
Right on the edge. Got it? Good, good. Do it, do it, do it.
I need to go wash my hands.
You know.
Oh, it's off.
Now, what are we gonna do?
That's the fake. That's the practice one.
Yeah, I know. How about if we just set that on there, and now we'll put something heavy on there? What do you think?
Yeah.
Does that sound good?
Before we put something heavy.
I don't know. Go get a paper towel right there. Okay.
No, wait. Should we just add the sides then?
We will. We're gonna let this set first, right?
Right.
Okay.
Please do not.
Ah.
Do not fall.
Don't bump it.
I'm scared. What if it does it automatically?
Don't bump it. Take that off. I said get the paper towel so you can wipe your hands. What?
I was so wait.
Paper towels don't weigh anything.
You know, it's like a thick sheet.
Yeah.
Oh, thick means like big.
Okay. So now, while we're waiting for that, right?
Dry quickly.
In the cold, it's gonna take a little time.
So what are we gonna do then?
Hmm?
Move sides.
Well, we need to cut because you wanted it on the inside now, right?
Yeah, we need
So we're gonna
inside.
do the inside, right? I think we're just, you're a little too long when you're done.
My bad.
No, I think we're okay. You wanted to do 13 3/8, so I think it's just going to be a little long. See how it's a little long? See how this is tilted a little? Huh? See how it's just slightly tilted a little because it's the dowel a little too long.
Will it still work?
Yeah, unless you want to pull it off while it's still wet and cut it just a tad. What do you want to do? You want to take this off? Okay. Okay, while this is still setting, okay, go cut just a, see, that's why you were supposed to cut on that line. That's why it's long.
Still has a little glue on it.
That's why. Okay. Whoops. No. Okay. Yep.
It has glue on it.
Right, but we want to, that's okay. Because this is really, really going to shave it. Watch out. Ready, go. Go. Up, okay, back. Let's see if it catches it right there. Okay, ready? Okay, you can go there. Okay, down and go. Okay. Let's see if that's a little better. What do you think?
I hope that is good.
Huh?
Yeah, I hope that's better.
Okay, you want to hold that up? Oh, ready? Put it in there. What do you think? Straighten it up. Sure, right to the edge. Now, does that look straighter? Because you cut it on the outside of the line instead of the inside of the line.
That kind of does look straighter.
What do you think?
That does look straighter.
Yeah?
Or should we just like wait or something? Yeah, cut the thing.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Does that look good? Now we can put this on here.
Careful.
Put that weight on.
What is in here?
Just put it on there. Easy.
Good. Really good.
What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Is it still tilted out? Make another cut, make a little more cut,
Yeah.
do another cut, cut a little bit more off. Okay.
You want another one?
Yeah, well, that's because we don't know how quite far that is yet, right?
I'm really proud about the glue drying.
You're fine. We're good still. Just a little bit. Go. Go. Get back. Pull back. Okay. Wait, come to it. Come to it. Oh, pull back a little.
That's good.
Okay, how about that?
That's good.
Okay, ready? Go.
Okay.
Huh?
That'll be good.
Put a little glue on there. Put more glue on there. What do you think? Yep. Did you pull the top? There you go. Pull the top. That's plenty. Still don't need that much. Okay. Put it in the hole. There you go.
Still felt loose.
Yeah, it's going to because it's not. Okay. Pick it up. Ready? Put it in this hole. Good?
Mm-hmm.
How about that? Level? How's that look? That looks straight.
Yeah, that looks good.
What do you think?
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Okay.
Okay.
Make sure it's all squished.
Just spin it a little bit.
Good. Make sure the sides are all flat, right to the edge, right? How's that?
That's good.
Tell Mom.
Mom!
You're doing a great job.
Mom! Come over this. So what now?
Well, we need to cut. Remember how you were gonna do these on the outside, which you still could,
Actually,
but if you did the inside, I think that would come out pretty cool if you did it on the inside. What do you think? You could still do the outside,
Ooh, Nick, that's fantastic, dude.
but we're gonna do the inside.
wait, how is it better in the inside?
Well, I think it would just because then it comes right up to the top where you cut that.
So this thing is about.
So what do you think?
So how long is this thing again?
Well, we need to measure from here to there. We need to measure the
Like
inside.
13 inches.
Yeah, I think so, right?
It's like
13 inches. So you need to.
And how long is this? Then how long is this?
Well, it doesn't matter because you're going to go on the inside. So you measured from the inside to the inside, right? Go do it again. Inside to inside.
Wait, no, it's not that. A little bit
A
further
little
over.
bit further over. Keep going. Right at the edge.
That's about. That's actually like
Yeah,
13
13 and a quarter.
13 inches.
Yeah, I think you're
13 and a quarter.
big. See that?
No,
So
13.
13.
13.
So how much?
13 and a quarter. Yeah. So measure it 13 and a quarter. And draw it. Remember? So you line at the bottom, up on top. Up on top. 13 and just inside the quarter mark. So just right at the quarter mark, and then we'll cut. Oh, no, it was an eighth. I'm sorry, it wasn't a quarter. It was an eighth.
Yeah.
2 inches.
13 is an eighth. No.
No, just
2 eighths
1/8.
was too far. It's 1/8. Almost positive. Yep.
I thought it was just 13. That looks fantastic, Bubba.
Okay, and then do another one, right? Now, what are you doing? Why are you switching? Just measure it up here, remember, so we can draw our line.
That looks really good, dude.
13 and an eighth. Right. So now draw your line. There you go.
It's really nice.
Make it go over. That way. There you go.
Very
Just
impressed.
a match.
And then hold it down hard in the middle. Good. Now, do this. Just make sure, so you're going to put it right there. And look how that line comes. It's going to be right right there, right? See that? Okay? So we're gonna cut, we wanna cut to where? On the inside or the outside of the line?
Right.
You're just gonna cut right through the inside. Okay, ready?
What about, how about this? Oh,
Oh, you're gonna watch him do it.
Oh, yeah, just
I
do
gotta
one.
get my jacket, I am so cold.
No, I'm
Just
just
gonna
watch
make
this
a cut.
once. Just watch this once.
Would-
Back up a little. Right here. Ready?
Yep,
Actually,
what do you think?
there.
Make it, try it, test it again. It's probably too much.
There we go.
Done? Hold on.
Wow, how come you're not wearing glasses?
We don't have it.
We don't have it. But we're okay.
Oh, I have the
Oh,
glasses
my God,
for the
oh, yeah.
glasses.
Oh, Jesus, I'm an idiot.
I don't think it fits. Here. Are these still not,
Oh, it's not dry?
not
Yeah,
dry yet?
no, it goes
Oh.
on. Does it fit? You need to shave a little bit more. Yeah.
Tiny bit more,
Here, Bubba.
just a tiny bit.
Mama's smarter than I am. Hold on.
Hold on, Bobby.
Hold on. Wait.
Okay.
Mama remembers stuff.
Oh. Yeah.
Safety goggles. Daddy has safety goggles. There you
There you go.
go. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to do just a little more,
No
huh?
sugar, yeah.
Yep.
I'd say,
Can you see through those, Bubba?
probably more, yeah, I can see.
Just about a blade width, right?
Actually, no.
Right about there?
Yeah.
What do you think? Super. Let's see. See if it fits. What do you think?
I'm just really scared.
That's gonna be perfect.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect!
These people stay with.
Oh my God, it's perfect. Way to go, buddy.
Okay, what about the other one?
Alright, just do the same thing.
Yeah, exactly. Take that and draw your line.
No, make sure it's even. See, look, this is coming off over here. Make sure it's even, right? Wait. Go ahead.
It's not even.
It's not even, the wood is not.
Oh, I see. It's not even on. I see.
Yeah,
Here.
there, that's the cut. I would. probably- Here, cut this side. Yeah. There we go.
Hold it for
Okay, good, try again. That's right, it's a little weird. Okay. And, make your cut. Whoop.
Go back up.
Very good. And make sure it's hard against that.
This is good.
Okay. Spectacular.
Great job.
Let's see if it fits.
Awesome, dude. Way to go.
Okay, so we gotta let the glue dry on this,
Yeah.
okay?
That's right.
Say bye, camera.
Bye.
Oh, you're filming?
Yep.
Let me show you.
Yeah.